Ambition. Ambition. She has the ambition to become a vet. Application. Application. He submitted his application yesterday. Bank account. Bank account. She opened a new bank account. Boss. Boss. My boss is very strict. Career. Career. He chose a career in engineering. Colleague. Colleague. My colleagues are very supportive. Company. Company. She works for a tech company. Contract. Contract. I signed the contract yesterday. Department. Department. He works in the sales department. Deserve. Deserve. The dog deserved to have some treats. Earn. Earn. She earns a good salary. Fame. Fame. He gained fame after the movie. Goal. Goal. Her goal is to become a lawyer. Impress. Impress. He tried to impress his girlfriend. Income. Income. Her income increased this year. Industry. Industry. He works in the fashion industry. Interview. Interview. I have a job interview tomorrow. Leader. Leader. She is a strong leader. Manager. Manager. The manager approved my request. Pension. Pension. He lives on a small pension. Poverty. Poverty. They live in poverty. Pressure. Pressure. He works ineffectively under pressure. Previous. Previous. I had met him on a previous occasion. Profession. Profession. Teaching is a noble profession. Retire. Retire. He plans to retire at 60. Salary. Salary. She gets a monthly salary. Staff. Staff. The staff is very friendly. Strike. Strike. The workers are on strike. Tax. Tax. They increased the tax rate. Wealthy. Wealthy. He comes from a wealthy family. Call off. Call off. They called off the meeting. Give back. Give back. Please give back the book you borrowed. Go on. Go on. What's going on here? Put off. Put off. He decided to put off the trip. Set up. Set up. She set up her own business. Stay up. Stay up. I stayed up late to study. Take away. Take away. The waiter took away our plates. Take over. Take over. He took over the company last year. At the moment. At the moment. I'm busy at the moment. In charge of. In charge of. She is in charge of the project. On business. On business. He's away on business. On strike. On strike. The workers are on strike. On time. On time. The train arrived on time. On, off duty. On, off duty. The officer is off duty. At the back of. At the back of. The garden is at the back of the house. At the end of. At the end of. There's always light at the end of the tunnel. In fashion, in style. In fashion, in style. Long dresses are back in fashion. In front of. In front of. He parked the car in front of the garage. In the corner of. In the corner of. The boy is sitting sadly in the corner. Out of fashion, out of style. Out of fashion, out of style. Bell-bottom jeans are out of fashion now. Assist. Assist. Assistance. Assistance. Assistant. Assistant. She assists the manager in daily tasks. Beg. Beg. Beggar. Beggar. The man begged for some food. Boss. Boss. Bossy. Bossy. My boss gave me a day off. Employ. Employ. Unemployment. Unemployment. Employer. Employer. Employee. Employee. Unemployed. Unemployed. The company employs over 500 workers. Fame. Fame. Famous. Famous. She rose to fame after the show. Occupy. Occupy. Occupation. Occupation. He occupies a high position. Office. Office. Officer. Officer. Unofficial. Unofficial. She works in the main office. Retire. Retire. Retired. Retired. Retirement. Retirement. He retired after 40 years of work. Safe. Safe. Save. Save. Unsafe. Unsafe. Safety. Safety. Always wear a helmet to stay safe. Succeed. Succeed. Success. Success. Unsuccessful. Unsuccessful. He succeeded in passing the exam. Careful with. Careful with. Be careful with the scissors. Difficult for. Difficult for. This task is difficult for beginners. Fed up with. Fed up with. I'm fed up with this weather. Ready for. Ready for. Are you ready for the trip? Responsible for. Responsible for. He is responsible for the report. Depend on. Depend on. Children depend on their parents. Inform somebody about. Inform somebody about. He informed me about the meeting. Refer to. Refer to. She referred to the document during the meeting. Work as. Work as. He works as an engineer. Work for. Work for. She works for a global firm. Apply for. Apply for. He applied for a scholarship. A kind of. A kind of. This fruit is a kind of mango.